Hello guys. So, sinong nakakaalam nitong comfort cards? Sobrang ganda nito, 'di ba? And nakikita ko na 'to before dito sa TikTok. And ngayon, nag-purchase na ako. And yung version na binili ko is Get to Know You English version. So, try tayo ng isa. And then, sagutin nyo din yung question dyan sa comment section, okay? Wait lang. Ito, what do you care the least about in life? What do you care the least about in life? So, sa akin actually, ito yung bagay na pinaka-importante or I care most about before. Pero ngayon, list na lang siya. And that is about minding other people's opinion about you. Kasi 'di ba, sabi nga nila, people are gonna judge you anyway. So at least live your life the way you want it. Be happy as long as alam mo din naman sa sarili mo na wala kang tinatapakang ibang tao and you're still on the good side, 'di ba? Wala ka namang masamang ginagawa. Oh, may nakalagay pala siya dito sa likod. So basahin ko. Your selective caring shows wisdom about where to invest your precious energy. Having clear boundaries around what matters to you is a form of self-protection. Ikaw, kung sasagutin mo tong question na to, what do you care the least about in life? I-comment mo na yan. Don't worry, safe zone naman yung comment section natin. So, walang manghusga, walang mga away dyan sa comment section. Share nyo na yung thoughts nyo.